Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect chocolate-covered strawberries, a delightful treat for any occasion. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries with their green stems intact. It is crucial to wash them thoroughly and then dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking. Next, set up your workstation with a sheet of parchment paper and a double boiler, or a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, ready for melting. Now let's melt the chocolate. You will need about 12 ounces of high-quality chocolate, either chips or finely chopped bars. Dark, milk, or white chocolate all work wonderfully. Melt the chocolate gently using your double boiler, stirring constantly until it is smooth and glossy. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until fully melted. Avoid overheating, as this can cause the chocolate to seize and become unusable. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it is time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the warm chocolate, rotating to ensure an even coating. Lift the strawberry and gently tap it against the side of the bowl to allow any excess chocolate to drip off. This prevents puddles and ensures a clean finish. Immediately place the dipped strawberry onto your parchment paper. If you wish to decorate, add sprinkles or a contrasting chocolate drizzle while the chocolate is still wet. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, allow them to set. You can leave them at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or for a quicker set, place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. The chocolate should be firm to the touch. For the best flavor and texture, these delicious treats are best enjoyed within a few hours of preparation. They are a perfect, elegant dessert that is surprisingly simple to make.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.